Experiencing issues with your Tesla app not displaying your charging history? You're not alone. This video will guide you through the common causes and, most importantly, how to fix them. We'll cover everything from basic troubleshooting to more advanced solutions to get your charge stats back on track. As of late 2025, Tesla has made improvements, but glitches still occur. Let's dive in. The Tesla app relies on seamless data syncing between multiple components. Your Tesla account, authenticated via OAuth, connects your car's telematics system to Tesla's servers. Charge statistics, including energy consumed, cost, timestamps, and location, are aggregated from supercharger and home charger data. This information is securely stored in Tesla's cloud. Disruptions can occur from weak internet connections, outdated app caches, or Tesla server maintenance. Understanding this data flow is key to troubleshooting sync issues. First, ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Weak signals can prevent the Tesla app from syncing charging history data properly. Next, force close the Tesla app completely and then reopen it. This clears any temporary glitches and refreshes the app's connection to Tesla servers. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache through your phone's settings. This removes stored data that might be causing sync issues and is especially helpful for older app versions. Another simple solution is logging out and back into your Tesla account within the app. This re-authenticates your connection and can resolve account sync problems. Finally, make sure your Tesla vehicle is connected to the internet. The charging history data originates from the vehicle's systems and needs an online connection to sync with the app. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Tesla app charging history issues, it's time for more advanced steps. Let's dive deeper into solutions that address persistent sync problems. First, update your Tesla app to the latest version, at least 4.28. Older versions are responsible for most persistent charging history sync problems. Simply open your App Store, search for Tesla, and install any available updates. If the update doesn't help, try restarting your phone or tablet. Force close the Tesla app, then power off and restart your device completely. This often resolves temporary software glitches that interfere with data syncing. If nothing else works, consider a factory reset of your Tesla vehicle's touchscreen. This is a last resort that erases all settings and customizations. Access it through Controls, then Service, then Factory Reset. Be aware this will require reconfiguring your preferences. If advanced troubleshooting still doesn't restore your charging history, contact Tesla support. They can check your account status, verify server connectivity, and provide personalized assistance. Reach them through the Tesla app or their support website. Several factors can trigger charging history issues. App crashes, phone restarts, and Tesla's periodic server maintenance are common culprits. Some users have reported that third-party VPNs interfere with the app sync. Switching to a direct connection often resolves this. Proactive app maintenance and avoiding peak usage times can also prevent problems. Many Tesla owners have successfully resolved charging history issues through systematic troubleshooting. Let's look at some real-world examples that demonstrate effective solutions. In October 2025, a Reddit user reported their charging history disappearing after a software update. By logging out of the app, restarting their phone, and resyncing, they restored access to accurate charging data, including energy consumption details. During a Tesla server outage in August 2025, many users across Europe lost access to their charge statistics. Tesla responded quickly with a patch within 24 hours and even provided free supercharger credits to affected customers. These case studies highlight how following proper troubleshooting steps can quickly restore charging history functionality. Whether it's app-related fixes or waiting for server-side patches, consistent approaches lead to successful resolutions. Tesla engineers emphasize that most charging history sync failures are user-resolvable through proactive app maintenance. Experts note Tesla's app reliability has improved due to cloud optimizations. Future trends point to AI-driven diagnostics in the app for preemptive sync checks and seamless multi-device syncing. By 2026, blockchain-based data verification may eliminate manual fixes altogether, with over-the-air OTA updates auto-resolving sync issues. By understanding how the Tesla app syncs data and following the troubleshooting steps we've covered, you can effectively resolve charging history issues. Remember to keep your app updated, maintain a stable internet connection, and proactively address any problems that arise. With Tesla's ongoing improvements, these issues are becoming less frequent, leading to a more seamless user experience.